If you want to enjoy multimedia, you should try CyberLink PowerDVD software. With it, you can experience 4K and 8K content in any format. Support for Blu-ray, ISO, and Ultra HD is also present, and you can even play online content from both YouTube and Vimeo right from the app. The software supports casting, allowing you to stream content wirelessly, and it's fully compatible with Chromecast, Amazon Fire TV, Roku, and Apple TV. Speaking of which, you can also get this app for both Apple or Fire TV, and you can even share content across your network with ease. You can also experience 360 videos as well as VR and immerse yourself with spatial audio support. Lastly, there's compatibility with Dolby Digital Surround, DTS, and high-res audio. CyberLink PowerDVD is an extensive multimedia player, and it's a perfect solution if you want to stream content across your network and enjoy high-quality videos on your PC.
If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get new video updates.